Emma and Tom loved the beach. Today they were searching for special seashells to take home. The warm sand felt good between their toes. Emma spotted something shiny ahead. "Look, Tom. Let's search over there," she said excitedly. Tom found the first shell. It was smooth and white, like milk. He held it up to see it sparkle. "One shell for my collection," he cheered. Emma carefully picked up a beautiful pink shell from the rocks. "This one looks like a tiny staircase," she said with wonder in her eyes. They sat on the warm sand comparing their treasures. Each shell was unique and special. Tom found 3 more small ones. Tom gasped and pointed. "Emma, come quick! A starfish!" They watched it gently move its arms in the clear water. Emma discovered something rare. A purple shell. She carefully dug around it. "This is the prettiest one yet," she whispered. They decided to build a sandcastle and decorate it with shells. It looked like a magical palace by the sea. Suddenly, the wind started blowing. Dark clouds rolled in. "Storm is coming. Let's go home," said Emma, holding her hat tight. Tom and Emma ran home with their buckets full of beautiful shells. A rainbow appeared behind them. It was the best beach day ever.